In front of me is Fairphone 5, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Then use this plus at the bottom left corner to hit Files and tap on Audio at the top. Now you need to hold one of your files and hit Select at the top right corner to add it. To add a video on though, you need to click on Gallery section and tap on your video, or hit Gallery and click on it here, and choose Add at the top right corner. If you still can't find it, select Folders and add it the same way as you would an audio file. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!